What's up, folks? How y'all doing today? It's not been long since I've made a video. Recently, I got something else. You want to see something else? I got a copy of Grand Funk Railroad. My finger closer to home. See it pinned to my wall? Yes, you do. And I have another copy right here. 1970 original green label pressing. Thanks to Jeff in 7777. He told me that the green label was original. So, it is. It sounds very, very good. My other one that's hanging on the wall is a very poor copy. That's what's hanging on the wall. The records on the wall are really not any good except for Grand Funk Live and the ones that are in the cases. Those up there still play, but they have no sleeves. I found them like that. It's very sad indeed for record lovers alike, but anyhow, I really don't feel like going into it. The ones that are in glass cases have records in too. Closer to home, it's a great fold also. So anyone who has this record knows that. The beautiful great fold. Awesome record too. It's got Sin's Good Man's Brother. Nothing is the same, which that's a good one. Mean Must Treat Her. Hooked on Love, I Don't Have to Sing the Blues, I'm Your Captain, Aimless Lady, Get It Together, and probably something else that I missed, but I don't know. Another thing I want to show is my new Bad Company record. It's a 1974 D-Butt, $3. Look how shiny that thing is on the inside. Good in the back too. I love Bad Company. They're a good thing. You know, one thing I always forget to do is you always got to take those old records off the shelf. Yep. Always. Yeah, I did.
Just take those old records off the shelf. I said listen to myself.
One thing outside. One other thing I got yesterday, I traded two of my records, Molly Hatchet and Breakfast in America. I've got no more copies of that for my beautiful little turntable, which I will show. Early to mid 80s Pioneer turntable. Still got a little 45 here. It's a very good record. Guess how much I got it for? $6. It's worth $325. Now, I have a problem. I'm going to turn down the volume a little bit on this. Actually, I'm just going to pause it. If anyone has any knowledge of Pioneer PL 730 turntables, I would also appreciate it. Or I'll just hold it up right there where you can read the label. If anyone knows about this turntable system, contact me. Because this turntable has 2 speeds. It also has a strobe. I plugged it in yesterday to try to see if it works. It still spins, but it's kind of screwing up when I catch it. And usually when you move a turntable arm, you know, the stylus arm, and you move it over here, it's supposed to make the turntable automatically turn. It doesn't do that all the time, and when it does spin, it spins at like 100 rems per minute. and I can't get it to reduce speed. I push the button in that either says 33 or 45 and it doesn't work. So I don't know, maybe I got ripped off, but I mean $6 I guess isn't that big of a rip off. So yeah, if anyone has any other information, I would appreciate it about the PL 730 Pioneer turntable. I don't know what year it's from, but it's pretty old. It's from the 80s. It's a very good turntable system. I know that from a fact because I got it from a friend. But I don't necessarily want it to be fucking me up right when I got it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the system, so thanks. LOL.